Welcome! You made it. That's great. You're one of the few people that make the decisions to succeed. And today you're going to learn more about how the invincible marketer, well, how you can become an invincible marketer with this program. The beauty about this is that everything is taught to you, all the lessons required for you to succeed, and every step of the way will lead you closer and closer to building and generating unlimited income on the global scale. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Get started right now on how to build your online business. Friends, I went through the entire deal that you're going through. You're doing your due diligence. In this mini series, I hope to accomplish giving you all the information that you can smoothly slide into your business of whatever type of business it is, whether it's going to be online or a storefront or door to door. It doesn't matter. These concepts that I'm going to share with you are essential and vital to begin your business. So let's get started. First of all, we're going to have to welcome you to this mini series, and I thank you for coming in. And we will begin with your plan to success. I need you to go down below in the area down here that you will find a a button where it says download your PDF file to success. Just click on that button, download it, and you can just put it aside, or you can print it out, pause this video, and start it up again once you have it printed out, because I'm going to go through the steps. I'm going to try to describe to you the best options and actions that you need to take. So the next step is, let's see, it didn't come through, that's strange. Okay. First step is to develop an action plan. I need you to sit down and figure out what you want to do for a business. Action plan means that you're going to develop every strategy needed to succeed in this program. So describe it in detail. Every single little piece that you can think of, I want you to write it down. I know that sounds kind of overwhelming, but once you sit down by yourself, if you have a friend, a partner, a wife, sit down and work on this together. You need to develop certain parts of this business plan that will help you succeed. And we'll continue with that. Next, write down your goals. I want you to sit back, relax by yourself or with your partner or wife, like I mentioned before, or husband. Just sit down and dream again. When you were young, remember the dreams you had. You're going to travel here. You're going to build this big house. You're going to have cars that you've always dreamed of, motorcycles, a family. You're going to send your kids to college, where all that has to come from somewhere. And yes, it begins with your dreams. So I want you to write down your goals. What are your dreams? What do you want to accomplish? How do you plan to do this? Every detail again needs to be described and written down. On another page, if you need to, write them down. So if there's not enough lines on your PDF, get another page, write them down, and let's go continue with writing your goals and your dreams. When you plan it, write it down and stay focused. So when you write everything down, my friends, you need to stay focused on what your goals are. In other words, you need to set your sights on it. You ever gone target practice, or you ever gone shooting bow and arrows? You need to really focus on what you're aiming so that you can hit the target. That's what I need you to do. Sit down and really develop your goals and your plans and how you plan to stay focused. What are those plans? For example, what activities will you cut out of your day in order to invest more time on your goals and your plan? TV, gaming, hanging out with friends, those things that take or rob you of time could be robbing you of your future. And it's usually how we fall into that trap. We go hang out with friends, we spend 3-4 hours with them, and sometimes we even neglect our spouse and our kids. Because of that, we get into this routine that we need to cut out. Because in order to succeed, the top millionaires, my friend, the Nightingales and all these guys that have just achieved phenomenal wealth, they stay focused. They do their job. They put things aside that don't matter. Family comes first, and then you work. So keep that focus in mind. Don't forget what's important, your family. So next item here is, what self-improvement programs will you implement? That's very important. Developing what's in between this noodle right here really makes a difference. You have to become a 2%er, like at the beginning of my video. You have to become that 2%er. That means that 98% of the population don't do these things to develop themselves and to grow themselves. First of all, you're going to go check out books from the library or buy your own books and learn how to be successful. Rent or buy or download the 7 Habits of the Most Successful People and learn them. Attend seminars, online courses to proven methods, things that have worked for others. Learn about them. Nothing is more important than a self-awareness, my friend. Plan yourself. Take time to figure out what you're going to do during the day. Do a to-do list. It is so gratifying when you finish each item on your to-do list to scratch it out. It gives you a satisfaction that you can't believe. Self-control. And that includes self-gratification, because you have to put things aside in order to fulfill what is more important to your life. Family, business, your goals, all these things have to have a perspective place in your life where they're most important. So self-gratification sometimes can delay you from investing in a business, stock market, whatever it is, because you're spending $2 per day in Starbucks, or some people spend $50 on Starbucks in the mornings. That's a lot of money, my friends. That adds up at the end of the month. So if you put that money aside, even if it's just $10, you put it aside, that adds up. That's $300 a month that you can put away in or invest into your business. Investing in your future is the most important. Like earlier I mentioned, investing in books, investing in training, programs that work that you know will help you succeed. Those are investments in your life and your future and your goals. So set money aside. Being self-controlled, again, is part of the self-gratification. Don't do things that you don't need to do, and stay focused. Self-discipline is very important. If you do all these things and you learn to discipline yourself and to stick to it, scratch out your to-do list, it will help you succeed. When you write down your goals, like I mentioned before, do you know that when you write them down, your mind ingrains it in here? If you take those goals out every day, such as these cards I have right here, you write down your goals on a card and you keep them in your wallet, and you take them out each and every day and you read them, and you say to yourself, okay, I'm going to achieve $1,000 per day by the end of November of 2020. Then you know what? It gets ingrained here. You read it every day and you achieve that earlier or no later than December. It is a proven fact that when your mind gets set on something to do, you accomplish that because you're focused, you're disciplined, and you're self-controlled. It is amazing how that works. Plan of action, what you're willing to do makes it happen for you. See, what are you willing to do makes it happen for you. So, mindset. Training your mind and educating yourself, self-improvement helps you achieve goals. And that's what the millionaires do. That's the 2%ers do that, my friend. Are you or your spouse or business partner on board to make your goals a reality? If you're married, both of you have to be of one flesh and be able to accomplish those goals together. Both of you have to be focused. You have to shoot that target. And if you're both working together side by side, you have unity. You have more strength. You have more dedication. If you're focused together and you have children, you want to send them to college. You want to educate them. You want to teach them how to do this. Well, of course, that gives you more focus and more strength, because now you have a goal, you have a foundation. So you need that in order to succeed. I hope this is making sense. If this doesn't make sense, talk to Ellie down there in the chat bot and send me the questions. I'll be happy to answer them for you. And I'd be happy to even set up a conversation with you, a WhatsApp conversation, if anywhere in the world, as long as you speak Spanish or English, I can help you. And so, yes, I'm here to help you. And most other guys that do these trainings and stuff like that, they're just, all they want is your money. What I want is your success. Yes, I benefit from that, and that's the key here, my friends. I am dead set on helping as many people as I can achieve success. And yes, there is a reward. Do you know what tools you will need to reach your goals? Friends, say you're going to go on a motorcycle race. I used to race, so I brought that up. I needed the best motorcycle that was available at that time. At that time, it was a 98 FZR 1000, and that thing was just an amazing motorcycle. It had a Delta box perimeter frame. It had the right suspension. It had the right engine, downdraft carburation. It had a compression. The dash had these air inductions that boosted the carburation. It boosted the airflow. Exhaust system. Everything that I needed to win, I had in that motorcycle, including all the upgrades. So that's like self-improvement. Now, when I went to race with that motorcycle, guess what happened? I was at the top of my league because I had the right tool. And it was fun. I can't tell you what the adrenaline rush was on Sundays when I raced down at Willow Springs. So do you have the right tools, friend? Because that is necessary. The biggest mistake, a fatal mistake that is made out there, is going half blind into a business that you don't even know anything about, and you have no idea what tools are needed to succeed. Knowing what the tools are is the most important part of beginning any business. Doesn't matter what it is. Got to know what your tools are. Got to be well educated. Do your due diligence. Have self-improvement as your foundation, as your ground. So you need to know what those tools are. As your professional business coach, my friend, I want to keep you informed. I want to keep you away from making those mistakes that I made. Millions have made those mistakes, and yes, millions of people have benefited from those that have made the mistakes. Because what happens to those that make mistakes? They get discouraged. Never give up, my friend. Discouragement is fatal as well. So stay focused, stay tuned. I'm gonna teach you everything I know. What is it? Not having the knowledge, the tools that you need, like I described earlier, the goals that you set to accomplish them. You need to have everything. Again, it's that foundation. Your tools are necessary. The knowledge, the head knowledge here is necessary, and your focus needs to be on top of all this. If you don't have faith in what you're going to do, nothing happens. I heard a story this morning about 10 lepers that were healed by Jesus. He told them, they asked him if he could be healed, and he said, yes, go to the priest and show yourself. Well, all 10 of them were healed because they had faith. Only one came back and said, thank you. So always be grateful when you achieve things. Be grateful that you have your health. Be grateful that you can improve the knowledge in your mind to succeed. In my next training, friends, I will share with you my testimony, how I was able to go through my entire life investing, training, until I finally came up with the right program. And I'm going to share that at the end of this whole series with you, because I want you to get the foundation. I want you to succeed. So we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. You can also go directly to the next video. You don't have to wait until the next email or anything. Just go down below and click on the button that says go to video number 2 down below over there. And we'll see you there. Take care. Bye.